Hello, dear friend, and fellow traveler on Verdant Years. Have you ever felt your world slowly shrinking? A time when your feet no longer carry you as far as they once did? When a flight of stairs feels like a mountain, and the four walls of your room become your most constant companions? It is a profound irony of life. As the body grows weary, the mind often becomes more restless than ever. We find ourselves caught in a whirlwind of distant memories, anxieties about a future yet to come, and the heavy hollow ache of loneliness in the present. You feel trapped. If you are sitting here today feeling like a bird with tired wings, know that this video is for you. Together, we are going to find an anchor for your mind, so that even if your body remains still, your soul may wander through a landscape of infinite peace. Understanding the storm within. Why is it that when we move less, we think more? Philosophers call this the monkey mind. When the body comes to a halt, our energy surges upward. Without a destination, the mind wanders back to the past to ruminate on old regrets, or leaps into the future to weave tapestries of fear. But please, remember this: you are not your thoughts. You are the one observing them. Imagine you are sitting by the bank of a river, watching dry leaves float by. A leaf might be a moment of sadness, a twinge of pain, or a pang of loneliness. But the river keeps flowing, and you remain right here, grounded on the cool green grass. Your mission now is not to run further, but to master the art of sitting with yourself in total equanimity. The three anchors. To keep the mind from drifting, we must give it a place to rest. Try these three anchors. 1. The anchor of breath. When anxiety rises, place a hand on your belly. Feel the rise as you inhale, and the gentle fall as you exhale. Don't try to control it. Simply observe it like an old friend. Each breath is a reminder, I am alive, right here, right now. 2. The anchor of senses. If you cannot go out into the world, bring the world into your gaze. Watch a single sunbeam dancing on the floor. Listen to the rustle of wind. Feel the warmth of a teacup against your palms. When you focus on a physical sensation, the mental noise simply fades away. 3. The anchor of gratitude. Instead of hunting for mistakes, guide your mind toward what is good. Silently give thanks for the light of a new day, the care of a loved one, or a beautiful memory. Gratitude is the alchemy that softens the sharp edges of pain. Practice, the inner sanctuary. Now, whether you are in a chair or resting in bed, let's practice. Gently close your eyes. Visualize your mind as an ancient, peaceful home. Outside the window, your worries are like gray clouds drifting by. You don't need to open the door, and you don't need to chase them away. Simply sit in your stillness, smile, and watch them pass. As a thought arises, name it softly. Ah, here is worry. Ah, here is regret. Then let it go, like the string of a balloon. Return to the warmth in your chest. There is a space there that remains forever lush, forever verdant, untouched by illness, unburdened by age. My friend, aging is not an ending. It is an invitation to the greatest journey of all, the journey inward. When the feet grow still, the soul has its greatest chance to bloom. Do not fear the silence. You are never alone when you are a friend to your own soul. Thank you for being here. May your day be green and your spirit be at peace. I will see you in the next verdant season.